1. Find out the correct sentence. 1. SARFAESI Act, 2002 is a law in India that helps banks and financial institutions recover loans and reduce non-performing assets, NPAs. 2. The SARFAESI Act allows banks to enforce security interests without going to court in most cases. 3. Lenders must issue a 60-day notice to borrowers before taking possession of secured assets. 4. The same notice must be displayed on a prominent part of the property and published on the secured creditor's official website. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 4 only. Answer option A. 2. Find out the correct sentence. 1. Cash reserve ratio, CRR, the percentage of a bank's deposits that a bank must keep as reserves with the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. 2. The CRR is a tool used to manage inflation and control the flow of liquid cash in the economy. 3. Banks can use the money for investments or lending, and they don't earn interest on it. 4. When the RBI increases the CRR, banks have to keep more of their deposits in reserve, which reduces the amount of money available for lending and can slow cash flow. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 4. D. 3 only. Answer option D. 3. Find out the wrong sentence. 1. Statutory liquidity ratio, a percentage of deposits that commercial banks must keep in liquid assets, such as cash, gold, or government securities. 2. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, sets the SLR rate, which is a key tool in the RBI's monetary policy. 3. The SLR helps control inflation and credit growth, and ensures the stability of banks. 4. The RBI may lower the SLR during inflation to control bank credit, and raise it during recession to increase bank credit. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 1, 3 and 4. D. 4. Answer option D. 4. Find out correct statement. 1. CAMEL's rating system is a tool used by bank supervisory authorities to evaluate the financial health of financial institutions. 2. Each factor is rated on a scale from 1 to 5. 3. CAMEL stands for the 6 factors that are C. Capital adequacy, A. Asset quality, M. Management, A. Earnings, L. Liquidity, S. Sensitivity to market risk. 4. Scale 1 means strong performance and risk management practices. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 3 and 4. D. 4 only. 5. Find out the wrong sentence. 1. The repo rate is the interest rate at which the RBI lends to commercial banks. 2. It is a crucial tool for managing inflation and liquidity in the economy. 3. Currently set at 7%. 4. It is an option to earn an income for commercial bank. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 3 and 4. Six. Find out correct statement. I. The reverse repo rate is the interest rate at which commercial banks can park their surplus funds. 2. Current reverse repo rate is higher than repo rate. 3. When there is too much liquidity in the market, the RBI borrows money from commercial banks at the reverse repo rate. 5. When inflation is high, the RBI increases the reverse repo rate to encourage banks to park more funds with it. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2 only. C. 1, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 4. Find out correct statement. 1. A non-banking financial company, NBFC, is a company that offers financial services similar to a bank, with a bank license. 2. NBFCs are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). 3. NBFCs offer a range of services, including loans, credit, insurance, and wealth management. 4. NBFCs typically don't take deposits from the public, and instead fund their operations by issuing debt instruments. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2 only. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 4. 8. Find out the wrong sentence. 1. The National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) is a non-profit organization that manages and promotes retail payment systems in India. 2. NPCI was established in 2008 as an initiative of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) and the Indian Banks Association (IBA). 3. Its goal is to create a robust, efficient, and accessible payment infrastructure in India. 4. Interbank settlement systems. NPCI acts as an intermediary between banks and financial institutions to facilitate interbank transactions. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2 only. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 4. 9. Find out correct statement. 1. SWIFT is a secure messaging network that banks use to communicate with each other for international money transfers and other financial transactions. 2. SWIFT is a vital part of the global payments system, but it doesn't hold funds, issue accounts, or manage transactions. 3. SWIFT was founded in 1973 by 239 banks from 15 countries as a cooperative. Today, it covers more than 11,000 banks and financial institutions in over 200 countries and territories. 4. It mainly used for international transaction. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2 only. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 4. 10. 1. RTGS, or Real-Time Gross Settlement, is a payment system that allows for the immediate transfer of funds between banks. 2. The minimum limit for an RTGS transaction is usually 3 lakh rupees, but some banks may have higher limits. There's usually no upper limit. 3. RTGS reduces risks in financial contracts and eliminates netting risk. 4. The system is available on working days. There is real-time transfer of funds to the beneficiary account. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 2 only. C. 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 2 and 4.